Alright, in this video you're going to learn this cool fishing survival hack out of a PopCam aluminum tab. Let's get started. So pretty much you need to find a salvage can that hopefully is readily available. You're going to want to cut it off so that you capture the whole tab right on the side of it, and then you can even use your hand to catch it up while it flings up. And the next is our three cuts. And this illustration is going to show perfectly where to cut them. So from there you're going to want to either baton it, or if you have any multi-tools, utility tools, with you handy in your bug out bag, hopefully you have them in your bug out bag so you can use them. It comes in handy in this part, cutting them. And then once you actually make that second cut, you can actually bend that last part out by just doing it back and forth until it comes out just like that. And then from there, actually just put your line on, tie it on secure, close this little gap part so it holds the line even better. And actually the second variation is a little bit easier. There's just one less cut, and they're almost right next to each other. Kind of creates an opening. So there's the other variation that you could also use as well. Here's a close-up. So those are actually cool two survival hacks in case you ever need to. So now you know. And actually a bonus hack is we're going to show you how to make another hook out of a paper clip. You're going to want to make your first cut right at the bottom, and the second cut's actually half an inch from the top. And then just twist it right up. I mean, you can do this with your fingers too, but multi-tools will actually help, especially if you have two of them. And even if you have a little bit of extra left over, you can actually wrap it around, just like so. You'll definitely need two pliers doing that job. Another cool little bonus little tip is that if you can use 2 or 3 of them as almost like a single one to increase the strength so that it doesn't break. So that is how you make survival fishing hooks, just out of your general aluminum pop can tabs and even your basic paper clip.